Hey everyone, this is Missy Duran from Sparkling Memories. Today we are in a dollar store. Um, it's called the Dollar Tree. In front of you, we have some items here. As far as when it comes to items that you want for your kitchen, we can just move it along here. Everything in here tends to be a dollar. They're not so bad as far as quality. We have a lot of variety of things you can actually get from here. This aisle right here, as you see, these are different laundry detergent things you can actually buy when you first started out in your apartment. They even have brand names like Bounce, Gain, a fabric softener. You know, some people like to use Febreze. And of course, we have the little brands like little bottles of the big brands like Pine Sol. And of course, we have the imitation stuff. As we go along here, we've seen all of this is all the cleanest stuff in this one particular aisle. As we look over here, we have like trash bags, Ziploc bags. As we move farther down, we in the first aisle, we have the brushes and things to clean your apartment. This is real good if you just started out in an apartment and you don't have a lot going on as yet. You can always shop someplace like the Dollar Tree and perhaps get some items just to get started. It's similar to Family Dollar. The only thing you get your item for $1 and not $2 and $3 like Family Dollar tends to be. This aisle right here is a food item. I just want to show you all a few different things. Might not show you everything, but you have the like kitty juices. Of course, if you're a cook, there's other things here. As I get into focus, you see you have A1 old steak sauce. There's Italian seasoning if you want to make your like salads. So stopping in Dollar Tree isn't that bad. It depends on what you're actually looking for. So you got the tacos, you making one taco night, or nachos. I'm pretty sure you got the chips here too. And of course you have Vienna sausage. So when you shop on a budget, you can always do that. They have different snacks. As you see along here, we have some cereal. The little packs, actually the name brand. The only difference is when you shop in a place like this is the packages tend to be smaller because it's $1, then you add your tax with it. So we just walk through here, see a little bit more. Once again, we're here in a Dollar Tree, showing a little bit of the items we have along here. And take you around the store a little bit. Because some people are skeptical and not sure they want to shop in a place like Dollar Tree, but it's not as bad as it seems. It's for people who currently don't want to pay expensive prices, but they want to get the basic necessities dealt with. They can always try the Dollar Tree or the Family Dollar. Today, this is the Dollar Tree. You can see some of the items in here. And this is just the third aisle, I mean, so far. There's actually a freezer with the different items. I mean, it's nice if you just starting out or you're on vacation and you're going someplace and you didn't quite get your suitcase and you want to actually be able to still do the things to get done, you can. As far as the prices, so for instance, you're in the airport and you didn't get your bag, you have 3 pairs of men's socks for $1. They have sizes 6 to 12, 5 to 9 in women. So you can always buy socks and these kind of things if you didn't get your suitcase and you're traveling. And most of the times these are travel sizes too. So you can always buy this before you actually go and travel. So that's another idea to come and shop the Dollar Tree. Because if you're going out and you're a person that tends to walk with the whole 9 yards and the kitchen sink and everybody else, then you might want to try the Dollar Tree because it probably have everything that you need in here for like $1 plus the dollar and change. Of course, I got like kids for the kids. This is just like the late toys and such. I see you filming here. We have some nosy customers in here too, which is fine. Once again, we're in the Dollar Tree, and here we have the different candles, picture frames. I mean, you could get it a lot of other places too. But when you spend more, you can actually get it for less and get everything that you need. And it's so not that serious to get it expensive, especially when it's something that's disposable. You also have things for the animals, lovers, toys, like snacks, all at the Dollar Tree. Imagine that. Not your typical store now, is it? And this is just the final aisle along here. You have like painting stuff if you're into craft and all that good stuff and making things. So for instance, your child have a project and you need to get the different items in terms of the poster board, the color pencils. You can always stop by the Dollar Tree and get them for like $8 and change. So they're disposable. And that's not really bad. Look at all the various different colors. And they even have a section in the store which is themed to Halloween because Halloween is coming up. So as far as color and what you might want it for, it all depends on you. Like you try like kitty party, here are some of the stuff you can buy. So you have little hats, the plays, all in coordinated with pink and blue and yellow, very bright colors, especially if you try something like a baby shower and it's last minute, you can always come in here and get some of these items at a great rate, especially if you're doing something very large. But try not to put big heavy items in these bags you see here because they're only $1 and you don't want to overfill them with stuff because it will totally defeat the purpose of having bags like that. And of course, when you go shopping, you forget which holiday it is and whose birthday it is. Dollar Tree got you covered. 2 for $1 cards from birthdays, weddings, all that good stuff. Okay, let's be frank. When it comes to cards, people read them and sometimes they're going to draw and they probably won't ever see them till years later. There's some more party items all right along here. Yeah, a little bit more closer up to the front so you can see a little bit more. Now this one is catered to the Halloween stuff. As you can tell, the different type of colors. It's really nice, you know. It might not have like costumes in here because Walmart is probably the place you want to go for costumes. But the little decoration for the little table, your little haunted house, check Dollar Tree out. They're pretty cool. Especially when you have seasonal decoration like this. The flowers. Very unique. So that's it for me today. I'm actually in a Dollar Tree showing you some of the items. Till next time, this is Sit Around with Sparkling Memories. Bye-bye.